In this video, just relax, listen, and let your brain absorb natural English idioms, even while you sleep. Number 1. Pay dirt. Meaning, achieve something valuable. Example, I finally hit pay dirt when my YouTube channel went viral. 2. Raring to go. Meaning, extremely excited to start. Example scenario, first job, first upload, first opportunity. 3. Win some, lose some. Meaning, success and failure are part of life. 4. Don't bail on me. Meaning, don't abandon or disappoint me. 5. I got spooked. Meaning, suddenly scared. 6. I look up to you. Meaning, deep admiration or respect. 7. At 6s and 7s. Meaning, confused or disorganized. 8. Let's talk turkey. Meaning, speak seriously and directly. 8. A brief rundown. Meaning, short summary. 9. Buzzkill. Meaning, someone or something ruining the fun. 11. My dogs are barking. Meaning, my feet hurt, my feet sore. 12. Take it on the chin. Meaning, to accept a difficult or unpleasant situation bravely. 13. Hothead. Meaning, a person who gets angry very quickly and easily. 14. I can't put my finger on it. Meaning, I feel something is wrong or different, but I can't exactly what it is. 15. I doesn't add up. Meaning, it doesn't make sense. 16. Little did I know. Meaning, I had no idea. 17. Once bitten, twice shy. Meaning, bad experience makes you careful. 18. The end justify the means. Meaning, some believe results matter more than methods. 19. Jack of all trades. Meaning, master of none, or knowing many skills, but not expert in one. 20. You can't make an omelette without breaking eggs. Meaning, success needs sacrifice. Number 21. Thanks, but no thanks. Meaning, I appreciate the offer but I don't want it. 22. That's that. Meaning, it is finished, decided, or, there's nothing more to discuss. 23. Don't have a cow. Meaning, don't get upset, or, overreact. 24. Keep your head above water. Meaning, stay out of trouble. 25. Kick the habit. Meaning, stop doing something harmful. 26. Know the ropes. Meaning, be experienced. 27. Live and let live. Meaning, be tolerant. 28. Neck of the woods. Meaning, local area. 29. Not one's cup of tea. Meaning, not something you like. 30. Off the hook. Meaning, freed from blame. Number 31. On pins and needles. Meaning, very anxious. 32. Pull the plug. Meaning, stop something. 33. Break the ice. Meaning, start a conversation. 34. Blow off some steam. Meaning, to release anger, stress, or frustration by doing something active. 35. Stand your ground. Meaning, refuse to give up your position. 36. Something is off. Meaning, something feels wrong, strange, or not quite right. 37. I am at the end of my rope. Meaning, I have no more patience. Energy, or, option left. 38. Rose-colored glasses. Meaning, seeing things in an overly positive way. 39. Triple threat. Meaning, a person who is talented in 3 different areas. 40. A race against the clock. Meaning, trying to do something before time. 41. Time will tell. Meaning, the future will show the result. 42. Negative Nancy. Meaning, a person who always complains, or, pessimistic. 43. My life flashed before my eyes. Meaning, I suddenly felt close to death and remembered everything in a split. Number 44. You are crushing it. Meaning, you're doing an amazing job. You're succeeding impressively. 45. A side hustle. Meaning, a secondary job, or, income besides the main one. 46. Don't get fresh with me. Meaning, don't be rude or disrespectful. 47. He will go ballistic. Meaning, he will become extremely angry, or, lose control. 48. He wouldn't hurt a fly. Meaning, he is extremely gentle and harmless, or, a type of person who would never hurt anyone. 49. Put your mind at ease. Meaning, to make someone feel calm and free from worry. 50. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. Meaning, when life gets hard. Strong endearment. People take action and move forward instead of giving up or doing nothing. 51. Stop making a fuss. Meaning, stop creating unnecessary drama. 52. I don't like backseat drivers. Meaning I don't like people who give unwanted advice, or, try to control what I'm doing. 53. You live, you learn. Meaning, you gain knowledge from experience, especially from mistakes. 54. Nighty-night. Meaning, a cute informal way to say good night. Usually to children or loved ones. 55. No sweat. Meaning, no problem, don't worry about it. 56. The next is up to you. Meaning, the next step or decision is yours. 57. 24/7, meaning, all the time. Continuously, day and night. 58. Thanks for having me, meaning, thank you for hosting me. 59. Sleep on it, meaning, delay making a decision until the next day so you can think about it clearly. 60. I wouldn't be caught dead, meaning, I would never do that, refuse to be seen doing that because it's embarrassing or beneath me. 61. You know the drill, meaning, you're familiar with the procedure or what needs to be done, you know how things work. 62. I scrutinize, meaning, I examine something very carefully and in detail. 63. I washed my hands of you, meaning, I'm done with you, or I don't want to continue my relationship with you. 64. He would give you the shirt off his back, meaning, he is extremely generous. Willing to help you even if it costs him a lot. 65. Don't bite the hands that feeds you, meaning, don't harm or betray the person who helps you. 66. Stop dancing around, meaning, stop avoiding the main issue and get to the point. 67. Keep your powder dry, meaning, stay ready and alert for action, be prepared. 68. Nice guys finish last, meaning, being too nice may prevent you from succeeding. 69. It's my pet peeve, meaning, something small but very annoying. 70. Don't gaslight me, meaning, don't manipulate me or twist facts to make me doubt my memory, feelings or sanity. 71. I'm jet lagged, meaning, I feel very tired and disoriented because of jet lag. 72. I run the show, meaning, I am in charge or control everything. 73. Every man has his price, meaning, everyone can be persuaded if the offer is right. 74. I'm not racist, meaning, I don't discriminate based on race. 75. Spreading like wildfire, meaning, spreading very fast. 76. Just for the hell of it, meaning, just for fun or without any particular reason. 77. In for a penny in for a pound, meaning, once you start something, you might as well go all the way. 78. Go Dutch, meaning, each person pay for themselves. 79. It's not all it's cracked up to be, meaning, not as good as people say. 80. Creature of habit, meaning, someone who prefers routine and sticks to the same habits. 81. Benjamin Button, meaning, look younger instead of older as time passes. 82. I'll never hear the end of it, meaning, people will keep talking about it for a long time. 83. I will give it once over, meaning, to quickly look at or check something without going into details. 84. Knit, meaning, stop talking or be quiet. 85. Sit on my lap, meaning, to sit on the upper legs of someone who is seated. 86. You twist my arm, meaning, you go ahead or convinced me. 87. Take it slow, meaning, don't rush or take it slowly. 88. I lost my train of thought, meaning, I forgot what I was saying because I got distracted. 89. Remorse, meaning, deep regret or guilt for doing something wrong. 90. It's a disgrace, meaning, it's something shameful or unacceptable. 91. Back yourself, meaning, to believe in your own ability and trust your judgment. 92. I got roasted, meaning, I was harshly criticized or mocked, often in a humorous way. 93. Serenity now, meaning, a humorous way to demand calm or relieve stress immediately. 94. I don't give a damn, meaning, I don't care at all or it doesn't matter to me. 95. I'm gonna hit the ground running, meaning, I'm going to start something with a lot of energy and enthusiasm. 96. Off-putting, meaning, something that makes you lose interest or feel uncomfortable, unattractive in behavior or appearance. 97. Don't sass me, meaning, don't talk back to me disrespectfully or with attitude. 98. I have been hoodwinked, meaning, I have been tricked or deceived. 99. I'm tapped out, meaning, I have no money or energy left. I'm completely out. 100. My mind is made up, meaning, I'm not changing my decision. Thanks for watching and learning with me. If you enjoy these idioms, watch the next video, where I explain 50 more common English expressions. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple English learning videos.